In this video, I will help you find the best micro drones in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a true marvel in the realm of micro drones, packing a punch that defies its diminutive size. It's not just a small drone. It's a powerhouse of innovation and technology that competes head-to-head with larger drones on the market. What sets it apart? Well, let's dive into the details. First and foremost, the DJI Mini 3 Pro doesn't hold back when it comes to capturing breathtaking visuals. It boasts 4K video recording at an astonishing 60 frames per second, ensuring your aerial footage is nothing short of cinematic. And if you're more inclined towards still photography, its 48 megapixel still photo capture capability will have you capturing stunning images from above. But that's not all. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has a trick up its sleeve that makes it a game changer in the world of micro drones. It features a unique vertical camera rotation, allowing for uncropped 4K video, which is ideal for sharing your adventures on social media platforms. This feature alone gives you a creative edge that's hard to find in other drones of its size. Size isn't the only thing this drone doesn't compromise on. Safety is also a top priority. With 3-directional obstacle sensing technology, it can avoid collisions in multiple directions, making your flight safer and more worry-free. And when you're out on an aerial adventure, you'll appreciate the impressive 47-minute flight time and a signal range that extends over 7.5 miles, ensuring that you can explore and capture to your heart's content. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Autel Evo Nano Plus is a micro drone that perfectly blends the world of simplicity and professionalism. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of drones or a seasoned pro looking for a versatile addition to your fleet, the Evo Nano Plus has something to offer. One of its standout features is its 15-megapixel CMOS sensor combined with a unique RYYB color filter and a wide f1.9 aperture lens. This combination guarantees exceptional image quality, even when you find yourself in challenging lighting conditions. And when it comes to focusing, the dual PDAF plus CDAF autofocus system ensures you're always locked onto your subject with speed and precision. What truly sets the Evo Nano Plus apart are its automated shot modes, aptly named Movie Master. These modes simplify the creation of captivating drone videos, allowing you to focus on your creativity rather than complex flight maneuvers. With a flight time of 28 minutes and advanced safety features, including 3-directional obstacle avoidance, it's an enticing choice for drone enthusiasts looking to elevate their aerial storytelling. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. Enter the DJI Mavic 3, a micro drone that defines the standard for professional-grade aerial photography and videography. With its 4/3 Hasselblad camera, it's capable of capturing stunning 20-megapixel stills and recording videos in mesmerizing 5.1K resolution, all in rich 10-bit 4:2:2 color. If you're a photography or filmmaking enthusiast, this drone is your dream come true. The Mavic 3's lens offers exceptional versatility, with a mechanical aperture ranging from a wide f2.8 to a precise f11. This allows you to have precise control over your exposure, ensuring your shots are perfectly tailored to your creative vision. But let's not forget about safety. The Mavic 3 takes this aspect very seriously, boasting 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It's like having a protective bubble around your drone, making sure it avoids obstacles from every angle. Combine this with an impressive 45-minute flight time and a robust wireless O3 Plus transmission system that offers a staggering 9 miles of range, and you have a drone that's a formidable tool for a wide range of applications. Number 2. DJI Avata Drone. If you're in pursuit of an exhilarating first-person view experience, the DJI Avata is your top choice. This compact FPV drone combines DJI's finest imaging and safety features to deliver an adrenaline-pumping adventure like no other. Whether you're an experienced FPV pilot or a newbie looking to take the plunge, the Avata has you covered. The Avata's motion controller provides intuitive and precise control, ensuring that even beginners can quickly get the hang of FPV flight. It's designed for accessibility without sacrificing the thrill factor, with an ultra-fast 30 ms latency response and DJI goggles, too, offering stunning clarity. You'll feel like you're soaring through the skies yourself. Safety is paramount, and the Avata doesn't disappoint in this department. It comes equipped with downward-facing obstacle sensor, GPS, and a pause button, all working together to ensure a secure flight experience. And if you're an adrenaline junkie, the Avata's top speed of 60 miles per hour in manual mode guarantees heart-pounding, high-speed flights that will leave you wanting more. Number 1. DJI Risi Tectelo. Last but not certainly least, we have the Reizy Tello, an affordable and a compact micro drone that's perfect for beginners and educational purposes. Powered by an Intel processor and infused with DJI technology, it's a small drone with big potential for fun and learning. The Tello can be effortlessly controlled through a smartphone app, making it incredibly user-friendly. It's also capable of performing tricks like the throw and go, adding an element of excitement to your flying experience. With a 13-minute flight time, 720p video recording capabilities, and 5-megapixel still photo capture, the Tello provides plenty of entertainment for recreational pilots. However, where the Tello truly shines is as an educational tool. It introduces kids and teens to the world of coding through MIT's Scratch system, making learning both enjoyable and practical. It's a gateway to STEM education and a way to nurture the next generation of tech-savvy minds. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.